Hi all, this is Manoj Bishwangi. We are in the lesson of probability. So before starting the class, if you are seeing this YouTube channel first time, so please subscribe my channel and like if you like it, share to others. Let's start the class. Up to example 9th I done. Next is example 10. In that one, in a musical chair game, the person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first half minute after starting? So the given here the possible outcomes of the numbers between 0 and 2, because they given up to 2 minutes, within 2 minutes means 0 to 2. Like that, then this is the position of the number line from 0 to 2. Then let E be the event that the music is stopped within the first half minute. First half minute, if it starts from 0 to 2, so it will be in the middle of the middle means 1, that middle means 1 by 2. So the 1 by 2. So the distance is from 0 to 2 and 0 to 1 by 2. So here favorable is 1 by 2. So number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes means it is up to 0 to 2. So 1 by 4. So the probability of P of E is equal to 1 by 2, that is the within first half minute. Then 2 is the total distance from 0 to 2, that is 1 by 4. Like that, 11th one. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region shown in figure 14.2. What is the probability that it is crashed inside the lake shown in the figure? So this is the rectangular region. In that, this is lake and remain that one. That up to here this is 6 kilometer, 6, and total is this one 9 kilometer, and this breadth is 4.5. So this is total 4.5, this is total 9, and up to before the lake it is 6 kilometer, and this is lake, and this is the remaining portion. So they told what is the probability that it is crashed inside the lake. So for before that one, it can be crashed somewhere in this rectangular region. So rectangular region means we have to take area. Area is equal to length into breadth. So length is 9 and breadth is 4.5. This will give you 9 5 are 45, 4. So 40.5. So it is 40.5. And only you have to take length means this is up to here 6. So remaining will be 3. This will be 3. And this height is 4.5. And the given it is from downside to this one, it is 2 kilometer. So this is 2, this is 4.5. So remaining will be 2.5. So lake length and breadth will be 3 into 2.5. So area of lake will be 3 into 2.5. This will give you 7.5. So they are asking you to probability of lake. So probability of lake is equal to, you have to take lake value, that is 7.5. It is the favorable outcome, and total number of possibles whole rectangle region, that is whole area, that is 40.5. This will give same side is there. So after one number, the small one, so it will be cancelled. So we can write 75 by 405. This will give you 15 5s are 75 divided by 15 2s are 30, 105, 15. So it is 5 by 27. This is area 40.5 kilometers square, and this is 7.5 kilometers square. This will give you 5 by, the probability of that will be 5 by 27. Next example number 12. A cartoon consists of 100 shirts of which are 88 are good. So only good are 88. 8 have minor defects, small defects. Then 8 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader who will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujata, another trader, will only reject the shirts which have major defects. So one shirt is drawn at random from the carton. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Jimmy? So first one is in that first one, Jimmy. So according to Jimmy, a trader will only accept the shirts which are good. So 8 have minor defects, it will, does not belong. 4 also major defects, it does not belong. Only good is taking. So total will be 88. 88. Then whole how much means 100. So 88 by it is number of favorable outcomes. This is total number of possible. So 100 they given. So it will be 0.88. Then second one, it is acceptable to Sujata. So Sujata they told she does not accept the values of, she does not take the defects of major defects. So major defects of shirts is 4. So you have to leave that 4. Remaining is 88 and 8. That is 88 plus 8 is 96. 88 plus 8 divided by number of possible. So 96 by 100. This will give you 0.96. So you got the P of shirt is acceptable to Sujata is 0.96. Only have to take the number of possible outcomes and total number of favorable outcomes for the event. In that example 13, 2 dice, one blue and one gray are thrown at the same time. Here they are taken 2 dice. So 1 dice, 6 possibilities, as I told in the previous class. 2 dice means it is 36 possibility because 6 raised to n. General formula 6 raised to n. So in that write down all the possible outcomes. What is the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12. So if you see the diagram in the 14.0, so the possible will be 2 dice means it is number ends 1 to 6. So you will get 1 or another one 1. If not, you will get 1 another one 2, like that 1 4 that like, and continuously 2 1, if not 2 3, like that. Then 3 1 or 3 4, like that. So you can get up to 36 possibilities, up to 1 to 6, and taking the 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the left side and 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the right side. So you will get this 36 possibilities. In that they ask you to total is 36 possibilities. The outcomes favorable to the event, the sum of the two numbers is 8. So if you refer the 8, you will get 2 plus 6 is 8, then 6 plus 2 is 8, then 5 plus 3 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So among these, only these 1 2 3 4 5 only get the number equal to 8. So total 8 is equal to, total 8 means the number of possible will be 5 divided by total is 36. So 5 by 36. Like that, if there is no outcome parallel to event F, what the sum of the term numbers is 13. The last of the 6 number is 6. So last will be 6 comma 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. We can't get the 13. So it is 0. So that total 13 means it is 0 by 36. It will be 0. Then all the outcomes are favorable to the event G. Sum of the two numbers lesser than or equal to 12. So lesser than or equal to 12. So lesser than or equal to 12. So we are getting all the possibilities what we return. It will be considered to the lesser number, lesser than 12 or equal to 12. So total numbers less than or equal to 12. So less than or equal to 12 means all 36 will be possible favorable outcomes. So 36, total is 36. So you got the 1. 1 is the sure event of the certain event which you got the total number is equal to less than or equal to 12, 36 by 36. So you go through that 14.3 table. I will do in the next problem is that in the next 20 seconds. So I will write this all numbers and I will tell you how to do. So only you have to see the chart in that one. Then after this exercise 14.1. Exercise exercise 14.1. In that, probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E. So I told you this one, P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. Instead I wrote this one. So it is equal to, answer will be 1. Then second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash, such an event is called dash. So the probability of an event that cannot happen means it is impossible event. Impossible means that value will be always 0. So value is 0 and event is impossible event. Then third one, this is first main only. In that questions, sub questions, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is dash, such an event is called dash. The probability of an event that is certain to happen, means it is sure event, so it will be 1. Such an event is called sure event or certain event. Then fourth one, the sum of the probabilities of the elementary events of the experiment is always 1. So I told in the previous class only, that is sum of the probabilities of the of all the elementary events of experiment will be always 1. Then fifth one, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash and less than or equal to dash. So always I told this one, 0 is lesser than P of E, that is probability of E, that is lesser than 1. So always it will be greater than or equal to 0, then this is first blank. Second one, and less than or equal to, it is less than 1 or equal to 1. So 0 and 1 is the blanks of the that problem. Then second main, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. So in that first one they given, second main, first one, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Equally likely outcomes, you have to see that one, it is unpredictable and it should be two cases. See the first one, a driver attempts to start a car, the car starts or does not start. So in this statement, a driver attempts to start a car. So the car may be started may not be started due to the various factors like fuel, that the engine problem, like that also. So it will start or it will not start, but definitely we can predict it. We can see the depend on the various factors of that cars, but it is not equally likely. So it is not equally likely. Not equally likely, because it is depends on the various factors that fuel, like that. So it will start or not start. That, like second one, a player attempts to shoot a basketball, she or he shoots or misses the shot. So here also, if a player is good, he can shoot the basketball, but if a player is not getting ability, then he can misses the shot. So it is based on two factors. So it is also not equally likely, because it depends upon the player's ability or player's strength. Then third one, second and third one, a trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. So the given solution, if you do solution, they given like this, a trial is made to answer true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. So it will get only two possibilities, that is right or wrong. So it is equally likely, because it is unpredictable. So solution will become why it is equally likely means it will get wrong or right. So it is unpredictable. So it is equally likely. Like that, a baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. So a baby is born. So if a baby is born, it will be definitely two things. It will be boy or girl. So definitely things, and it is unpredictable. So it will be equally likely. Equally likely means we can it should be unpredictable, and it should be two cases only. Then third one, why is tossing a coin considered to be fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of a football game? So to start the football game is the fair way of deciding. So why they toss? So by tossing a coin, we can get two possibilities. That is head or tail. So it is, therefore it is equally likely. So it is equally likely outcomes. So for this reason only, it is fair way of deciding the team which get the ball at the start to the beginning of football game. Then which of the following cannot be the probability of the event? So if you see the options, fourth one, in that A option is 2/3, so it is also less than 1. It is probability that it will be event of the probability. If you take B, if you consider third one, 15%, so it is not 15% means 15 by 100. So you think in that way, 15% means 15 by 100. That will give you answer 0.15. So probability of event will always be lesser than also. But in option B, they given negative sign. So I told you there will be no negative sign in the probability, and also no negative, right? And it is not greater than 1. No negative, and it is not greater than 1. Only these two possibilities cannot be the event of the probability. Then next one, fifth one, if P of E is equal to 0.05, fifth one, what one completed? Fifth one, this is fifth one. Fifth one they given, if P of E is equal to 0.05, P of E is equal to 0.05, then find the probability of not E. Probability of not E. So question mark. So I know as you know that P of E plus P of not E is equal to 1. So we want P of not E. So P of not E is equal to 1 minus P of E. So P of E is 0.05. So 1 minus 0.05. This will give you for you 0.95. So P of not is equal to 0.95 because it is P of E plus P of not E will be always 1. Then sixth one, a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy? So, as they given in the condition first one in the question, that is a bag contains lemon flavored candies only. So there is no other flavored candies. But they are asking in the answers an orange flavored candy, but it is not present in the bag. So not present means it will be impossible event. Impossible means 0 by. So which one? Lemon flavored candies. So orange flavored candies. So it will be 0 by total number of possible outcomes. If they given contains, so it will be 0. So probability will be 0. Why 0 means it is not present in the bag only. So second one, what is the probability that she takes out a lemon flavored candy? So it contains all lemon flavored candies only. So if you take any what is the probability that she takes out a lemon flavored? A lemon means it will only one lemon flavored. So it contains more than number of candy 11 lemon flavored candies. So the probability of that candy lemon flavored candy will be 1. So probability of it will be 1. Why 0 means it does not contains orange flavored candies and it contains only lemon flavored candies. In that probability of a single lemon flavored also, so it will be 1. So seventh one. Yes, seventh one. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So this one I told in example number. This one example number. Example number 6. So example number 6, if you refer means you will get the same answer this one. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday. So probability of not having the same birthday. Same birthday. So that value is the given 0.992. 0.992. So they asked you to find the probability that these two students have the same birthday. So having the probability same birthday. So it is the reverse of not having same birthday. So it will be 1 minus P of not. This is E. So this will be 1 minus P of not is 0.992. This will give you 0.08. 0.008. 0.008. So probability of the same birthday will be reverse of that will be probability of not having same birthday. The given value that is 0.992. So total value is 1. So 1 minus 0.992 will give the probability of same birthday 0.008. Then 8th one. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red or not red? So 8th one, the given first condition, a bag contains 3 red balls, so 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So total bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn. Ball is drawn means one ball is drawn. So then what is the probability that the ball drawn is red? So if you that the drawn will red means there are three reds. So you will get 3 by total means 3 plus 5. So bag contains 8 balls. There is 3 red and 5 black. So 3 by 8. So probability of red is equal to 3 by 8. This is first one. Then second one. Not red. So for not red there are two methods. Not red means only we have to consider black ball. So 5 is there. 5 by 8. This is the P of not red. Because they contains only 2 types of balls. So I will neglect the red balls. So it will be 5 black balls. So 5 by 8. If not, the red we already found out. So P not red means it will be P of not red means it will be 1 minus. So 1 minus 3 by 8. That will give you 1 minus 3 by 8 means 5 by 8. So when they give you red and not red, you will have two methods, that is based on neglecting the one ball or taking the P of red and afterwards P of not red. So total number of possible outcomes is 8. So they divide by 8 and the possibility of black balls is 5. So 5 by 8. Then after that one, ninth problem. So in the given, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? So first one, red. So first we have to write how many box contains. So a box contains 5 red balls, 5 red, then 8 white and 4 green. So we have green, white and red. In that they are marbles. In that one marble is taken out of the box. So one marble is taken. Then what is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? So if you red means we have to consider red only. So probability of red will be, so total red, see 5 is there. So 5 divided by, in that one marble you are taking. So 5 out of 5 you can take any one. So 5 by, the total possible is 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 4 17. So 5 by 17. 5 by 17. Like that, second one. White. So if you take only white, so white is, so total white is 8. 8 by, one marble you are taking, divided by 5 plus 8 13 17. So you get the 8 by 17. This is total number of possible outcomes and this is the total number of favorable outcomes for the event. Then last one, not green. So not green. So in the given not, we have two methods. One is not green means we should neglect the green. So remaining is white and red. So white is 8, red is 5. So total will be 13. So favorable outcomes will be 13 divided by total outcomes is same only, 13 by 17, because 17 is the total outcomes and 13 why that means we have to neglect the green because they told in the condition not green. So if like you can do like this, if not, if you find the P of green, so P of green is only green, so 4 by 17. So P of green will be 17. So not green means you have to 1 minus 4 by 17, that will also give you 13 by 17. So for the not method, we can do two methods. One is directly we can neglect that color. If not, we can take find the number that color and afterwards we can find the not color that which is given, that is green. Sentence 1. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paisa coins, 150 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins is 100. Then 50 rupee 1 coins. 50 rupee 1 coins. Then 22 rupee coins. 2 rupee coins 20. Then 10 5 rupees coins. 5 rupees coins. So in that, if it is equally likely, then what that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. So what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paisa coin? So 50 paisa coin means this one. So probability of 50 paisa coin. So total is that 50 paisa coin is 100 and rupees 1 is 50, rupees 2 is 20 and rupees 5 is 10 coins. So if you take 50 paisa only, so it is 100. So favorable outcomes is 100. And then the total number of possible, so total number is that coins present is 100, 150, 170, 180. So total is 180. So this will be 0 0 cancel. This will give 10 by 18 means 18 by 10. So point. So 18 not given. So 18 5 90. 18 5 90. So 10 remains always, and then again you can take 5. So 0.55. It will get answer 0.55. Or you can write also 2 5 are 2 9. So it will be 5 by 9. If not, if you not in the decimal point, so 18 5 are 90. So 90 remains is 10. So again 0 100. 18 5 are 90. So 0.55. This is first one. Then second one. Second is will not be a 5 rupee coin. So it should not contain 5 rupee coin. So two methods. Not P of not rupees 5 coin. So this will be, so you have to neglect this one. So remaining is 100, 50 and 20, because 2 rupees coins, 1 rupees coins and 50 paisa coins. We should not include rupees 5 rupees coins. So 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 20 is 170. Remaining is 170. So remaining 170 outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes is total number. So 180. It will be 17 by 18. 17 by 18. If not, if you want to do the other method, means it is, we have to first find out the P of rupees 5 coins. That is rupees 5 coins is 10. So 10 by 180 is the probability. So it will give you 1 by 18. So if you get 1 by 18, then P of naught, this will be 1 minus P of E, that is 1 minus 1 by 18. It will give you 17 by 18. So you can do two methods when they given naught. We can neglect that naught number, and if not, if we can take that correct number 5, then we can find out the naught number that contains the 5 rupees 5 coins. Tenth one, 11th one. So 11th problem. So 11th the given, Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. So it contains 5 male fish and 8 female fish. So in that, see, the shopkeeper taking first at random. So randomly it's taking that fish. Then what is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So P of male fish. So for that outcome, favorable outcomes means that will be 5 only, because male fish is 5. So 5. Then total means 5 plus 8, that is 13. So probability of male fish, probability of male fish taking out will be 5 by 13. Why means this is total number of outcomes. They have 13 fishes, that is 5 male and 8 female. He is taking at random means total will be 13. And favorable outcomes means it is related to man fish, that is male fish, that is 5 by 13. Then 12th one. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow. So this is an arrow they given. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are there. So if you spin that one, you will get at the rest position it gives one arrow moves to one number. So if you like that, what is the probability that it will point at 8? So 8 is possibility means only one is there. So 1. But total number of possible means it can stop anywhere in these 8 numbers. So 8 possibility. So 1 by 8. So P of 8 is equal to, it is 1 by 8, like that. It is an odd number, so we have to select only odd numbers among these 8 numbers. That will be P of odd number. So odd number is, as you know, 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, and 7 is odd number. So totally 4 numbers are odd numbers. So favorable outcomes is 4 divided by total is anywhere, means that is total possible is 8. So 4 by 8 will be 1 by 2. 4 in the 4 2s are, like that. Then a number greater than 2, P of greater than 2. So if you know the greater than 2, 1 is not, it is lesser. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 numbers are greater than the 2. So this will be 6 favorable outcomes divided by total is 8. 6 by 8. So this will be 3 by 4. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Then number less than 9. So number less than 9 means contains all the 8 numbers, because number less than means it includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 8. So 8 are there. So P of less than 9 means it will be numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So up to 8 numbers divided by total number is 8. So 8 by 8 it will give 1. 1 means it is a sure event happening. In 13th one. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. So a die is thrown once. So die means it will possibilities will be 6 possibilities. Only one dice they given. So in that, find out the probability of getting a prime number. So only 6 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In that prime number. So one is not, it is not a prime number. So it can be included in odd number, but it is not included in the prime number. So one element means 2 is the one number. Then 3 comes. 3 is the odd number. 3 is the prime number. 4 is not prime number. Then 5 comes. 5 is the prime number. Then 6 is not. So only 2 possibilities you have. So P of getting prime numbers will be okay. 2 also prime number, no? Yes. 2, 3, 5. So P of prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5. So 3 outcomes. 3 divided by total is 6. So 3 by 6 it will give you 1 by 2. Then second one, in that is main. Prime number, so it comes only 2, 3, 5. 1 is not prime number, and 2 and 4 and 6 will be they are not prime numbers. Then a number lying between 2 and 6. The total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 2 and 6 means 3, 4, 5. So 3 numbers are present. Between 2 and 6. 2 and 6 will be 3, 3, 4, 5. So 3 by 6, this will give 1 by 2. And the third one, an odd number. So you don't know odd number. So P of odd number. P of odd number. So you have to take only P of odd number. So try this one, you can do easily, because it is only you have to see the odd numbers, how many are there, then you have to take the total number of possible outcomes. Then 14th one. So it is based on playing cards. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of the 52. So it will be having 52 cards. As I told in the explanation about the playing cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. So king. So first you should know the king, how many are there. So king, it will be there will be 13 items, that is 2 to 10 digit cards, and K, Q, J and A. That are 4 cards. So the 34 are 52. So 13 card total, 30 cards. In that king it will be 4, but they ask you to king of red color. It will have 2 red color and 2 black color. So possibility will be 2, 4 kings, but 2 are red, 2 are black, and 2 are black, 2 are red. So it will be 2 by, it will be P of king red color will be 2 by total is 52. So 2 by 52 will give 1 by 26. 2 2s are, then 2 6s are. Like that second one. So same question only. Face card. I told in the which are the face cards means face cards is K, Q, J. So it does not include S. It is only K, Q, J. They are the face cards. So face cards are 3. Face cards are 3. So this will give you P of face cards. Total is 3. So 3 by 52. So you can't divide 52 by 3. So answer will be 3 by 52. A face card. Find the probability of getting a face card. Face card is okay. Face card is 3. That is king, queen, jack. But they told face card means okay. So face card means it will be considered only three one. That is king, queen, j, king, k, q, j. But it consists of k4, qj, q4 and j4. Anything will be there. So 4, 3 into 4. That will be 12 cards. So 12 divided by total 52. Total 52. So if you cancel by 2, it will be 2 6. This will be 2. So you can cancel it 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 is 4. 12 means 13. 3 by 13. So KQG will be numbers of cards of that containing face cards. But individually they have 4 kings, 4 queen and 4 jack. They are not told anything color like that. So you can take directly 12. 12 by 52, that is 3 by 13. Then third one, a red face card. So face card KQJ. So among KQJ is 12, but they told here red color. So in that red color, so 6 will be black and 6 will be red. So 6 will be third. So 6 by P of red face card. Red face card. That will be 6 by, why 6 means total is 12, but in that 6 black and 6 black and 6 will be red. So 6 by 52. This will give you 2 3s are 2, 26 are 3 by 26. So it will be P of red. So you have to see the question correctly and answer the question. So because it is only face card is there. So probability of face card means it contains 12 cards. They are not told here color. But if this one they told exactly it should have red color. So red color means out of 12 it is 6 red and 6 black. So it will get a 6 by 52. So 3 by 26. Only thing you have to know the possible outcomes, that is total numbers, and upside will be, if they give only 1 means you have to take that directly 6C1 like that. If they have 2 means 6C2. It should be in the permutation combination lesson is there. So that one 6C2 will come. So if it is only 1 means 1 random means 6C1. Downside will be 8C1. So it will be anything C1 will be, a value will be same. 8C1 is 8, 6C1 is 6. So I am taking directly 6 by 8. This also 8C1, 8C1, 8 by 8 is equal to 1. So up to here, today for this session is enough. So we can continue the next session, that is the remaining problems of that probability. So only we have more than only 2 dice, up to 2 dice. There are 3 dice also, but they given you for only 2 dice. Based on 2 dice only get problems. So I done only on the based off 2 dice only. If not, they give in the color or in the playing cards or in terms of coins. Coins I told it is 2 raised to n. So we are seeing this class first time. So please subscribe to my channel. My name is Manjunath B. Sungi. So please support me and go through the syllabus and so thank you.